All right, so we have another problem. Gary the geologist is in need of the mineral calcite to make a medicine that reduces stomach acids, which cause stomach aches. He has a colorless mineral. This is the colorless mineral that he has, and he needs to find out if it is calcite or quartz. So, in order to make the medicine he needs. So the question is, does he have the mineral calcite or quartz? And what I want you to do right now is to think to yourself, how will we be able to identify the mineral as calcite or quartz? So you should have said that he's going to be able to, or we're going to be able to figure out if this mineral is calcite or quartz by testing this unknown mineral. So now we want to turn the page and take a look at the mineral properties of calcite and quartz. So if we look at their properties side by side, what I want you to do right now is use this data to select the 5 of these 7 properties, only 5, that you believe will be the most useful in identifying our minerals as calcite or quartz. So for example, if I look at these right here and I take a look at streak, so if we're going to look at the streak color, if I test the streak color, calcite is white and quartz is white. Is that going to help me identify this mineral? No. So I'm not going to write it down as one of my 5. So I want you right now to think about which 5 of these 7 is the best, most useful properties to test to figure out if this unknown mineral is calcite or quartz. So you should have chosen these 5: transparency, luster, hardness, reaction to acid, and light refraction, because in the chart above, that's where you see the differences. So right now, what I want you to do is grab the materials you need, grab the unknown mineral, and I want you to test this using those 5 properties and write your results right here. When you are finished testing your results, I would like you to answer analysis questions 1 through 3.